Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Kate here from Kate Home Fitness. We are going to test out the Kensone mini trampoline. We're going to unbox it, assemble it, and give it a try. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started right now. Super fast delivery. I just put it on a table just to elevate it off the floor. Unpacking it was very easy. It's pretty easy. Nothing else in the box there. Put that off to the side. I'm a big proponent of rebounding. There is a plethora of health benefits, including but not limited to flushing out the lymphatic system, keeping the body in circulation, and so much more. Inside the box are your bungees. These ones are the red ones, and your tools for hooking the bungees onto the mat. And the clips, everything you need is in here. Without the little finishing piece on the bottom, it's about 10 inches here. Without the little foot. Those are the legs. There we go. And the clip. Instruction manual. These are the little clips. You can see that there. Once you flatten out the mat, you will clip these into place. And I guess if you ever needed to unfold it again, you would remove these, fold it up, and possibly store it away. Other clip. This is my husband, Robbie. I just recruited him for an extra set of hands. Totally can do it on your own, but it's always nice to do things together.
So you put it in, you put it under, the tool in there, grab the tool, put it in there, and that's it.
Now it's time to screw in the legs. As you can see, it goes pretty smoothly, but I just wanted to let you know that if you're not familiar with my channel, most of my workouts are time and beginner friendly. A lot of my rebounder workouts are walking workouts and low impact by nature. I'd love to have you please come check out my channel. Now let's finish with the assembly and try this out. There's the foot. It took maybe about 15 minutes with the help of my husband. I'm not going to put the T-bar on right now. If you're a beginner or if you have any stability issues, the T-bar handlebar is an epic add-on for you to have. It is a tool that is so handy, provides extra stability. I will put it on after, but right now let's get cleaned up and check out the bounce. Very lightweight, very, very lightweight. Moment of truth, let's get going. This is the 40-inch, so it's quite a bit smaller than I'm used to. I'm used to the larger 48-inch, almost 50-inch ones, so this is going to be interesting to try out. Make sure your skirt is properly covering your bungees. Moment of truth. Carefully, carefully step on. Okay, that is a firm bounce right there. Firm and quiet. Marching up and down here, or a house bounce here. Very quiet. I think I'm gonna like this size. Very nice. Very good bounce. I look forward to bringing you some classes on this Kensone mini trampoline. I will put some specs here for you. There's also a description of the product in the description box below. Please check it out. Thanks for joining me for this unpacking and testing of a new product to me, Kensone Trampoline.